political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, as he was talking, has accessed key documents that show how Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is using a corrupt bureaucracy to target opposition in Rajasthan. Rajasthan's Special Operations Group has been very active in the current political scenario. The man in charge of SOG is Anil Paliwal. It has been revealed that Anil Paliwal's wife Sarika Paliwal is a promoter along with Ratan Kant Sharma and others in Triton Hotels and Resorts, which owns Fairmont Hotel.
Yes.
So clearly, Aishwarya, there is a deeper link, and this entire political drama that we are witnessing in Rajasthan.
Well, the dots are being connected, and we have in our possession the very document, Swesha, that is of the Registrar of Companies of Maharashtra. We have the shareholding pattern. We also have the Government of India Ministry of Corporate Affairs documents, which clearly show the connect which is there of the family member, of the wife of the top cop who is basically leading the SOG in this regard with the owners of the Fairmont Hotel. And we already know that the agencies, that is the income tax, that is the ED, how deeply they are looking into the deals, and more than a 90 crore illegal transaction of foreign accounts being done in this regard. So yes, there is still, then it meets the eye. We have those documents which clearly show that how shares have been transferred by Ratan Kant Sharma and then Juhi Sharma to Sarika Paliwal. We also have the years, we have the dates, we have the Registrar General of Maharashtra documents in which it is clearly mentioned that the consent is given as a director. I, undersigned, that is Sarika Paliwal, have consented to act as a director of the company Triton Hotels and Resort Private Limited, and this is dated. This is dated back in the years. Also simultaneously, we have the shareholding patterns which clearly show that the wife of the top cop of Rajasthan is in deep financial transactions. With the owners of the Fairmont Hotel and also with Triton Hotels and Resort, which is the parent company, and also with Mayank Sharma Enterprises Private Limited. And this is a Ministry of Corporate Affairs document which is dated of today, stating very clearly the shareholding pattern and also showing certificate of the very incorporation, Swesha, which in turns is giving you a clear indication that the way SOG of Rajasthan has been acting on certain individuals, we are being told by our sources that this is only and only happening because of a direct connect which is there. And if you remember, the agencies have been looking of a connect of the present Chief Minister, that is Ashok Gehlot, and his close aides with, once again, the proprietors, owners of the Fairmont Hotel. So somewhere or the other, it's all connected to one man, and that is Ashok Gehlot. And then Ashok Gehlot, who is indirectly connected with the Fairmont Hotels, that is what we are being told, because the ED agency, because the ED and then the income tax have been looking into the matter. There have been raids. We've seen the kind of massive IT raids which took place, and now these documents show that this top cop, which is in turn leading the SOG of Rajasthan, has direct connection. His family members, his wife has direct connections with the owners of the Fairmont Hotel. So Rajasthan Chief Minister needs to look into it.
Which just brings us to the question, Aishwarya, that the probe that is being conducted and the fairness of that probe, how far will it go? Because clearly there are hidden interests here, especially of some of those.